In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a unique Google Classroom banner. Let's go. So here we are in Google Classroom. I've already taken time to create a brand new class. Google Classroom gives you opportunities to be able to select a variety of themes by clicking on Select a Theme, and there are a bunch of different options here. If I scroll down, they're even organized by content area. I also have the opportunity to upload my own photo. Now there are a variety of image sizes that a lot of different people use in order to have their own custom themes, because you have to have the settings just right. Some people use 2000 by 400, some use 1000 by 250, 1600 by 400, but my favorite setting to use is 1200 by 300. The best way to get the right dimensions is to open up Google Drawings. In Google Drawings, you can create a brand new Google drawing and then do the page setting for either this setting, but I'll change it over to pixels, and that's 1200 by 300. And I'll just click apply and I have it set. Now, if I upload an image into this particular area, as long as I stay within the rectangle that is there, it should be formatted properly. Beside from using pictures, I like to have some different graphics like you see on the screen right now. If you like this template, stay tuned to the end of this video and I'll share a link where you can get your own copy to customize. Here I can go in and change the colors. I can also add additional pictures on top. I like to use little Bitmojis. If I want to add a Bitmoji, I can just go up to my extension for my Bitmojis and find one that I like, pick it, and drop it right onto the canvas. Let's see, he's not really exactly where I want him, so I'm going to right click on him, rotate, and flip him horizontally. I'm gonna move him here, make a quick little adjustment there. And now it looks as if he is peeking out from behind the Google Classroom sign. Let's move him down just a hair. There. I can then click File. You can download it as a JPEG or a PNG. Now that I have it downloaded, I can go back to my classroom, upload the photo, and I can just drag it and drop it right onto the canvas. Once I drop it into the window, I can grab these squares in order to make it a little bit larger so that I can catch all of the graphic. I'll click Select Class Theme, and voila, look at that. Another great tool you can use to create your own custom Google Classroom banners is Canva. I'll go to canva.com. Once I arrive, I see that there are a variety of templates here. In order for me to get the right dimensions for Google Classroom, I need to click Custom Dimensions, and I'll type in 1200 and then 300. And pixels is what I want, and I'll create a new design. So here we are with the blank template with the appropriate dimensions. On the left side, I have a variety of templates that I can just click and it will drop onto the canvas for me. But this first one looks like it's pretty decent. The only thing that I think I'll change is the background. Canva has a variety of photos right inside of it. And so I'll go here to Photos, click the search bar and type school. And there should be a variety of pictures that pop up. I kind of like this one. No, better yet, I think I like this one. So I will stretch it out so that it covers the entire area. And I think I like that. Let's stretch it out a little bit further. I might need to change, let's delete that one. I might need to change the colors of the letters, which I can click here, change that one to black so that it's easier to read. And then change this one to black as well. And that's it. Now I can just click the publish where I see download. And I again like to download it as a PNG. I'll click download. Once again, download here. I can go back to my Google Classroom, upload a new photo, but this time drag this photo into the window. Repeat the same steps and grab the squares so that I have the entire image inserted. Click select class theme, and there it is again. Really nice. If you like this template, just go to wileyb.me/getgcb. Again, that's wileyb.me/getgcb. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please remember to subscribe to the channel and click the little bell so that you get notified when I post new content. Thanks for watching. See you next time.